Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we're gonna show you a brief walkthrough of our truck. Say hi. We're gonna show you a brief walkthrough of our truck. Someone on our YouTube channel asked how we fit all our kids in here. So we have a 6-passenger
2024 Chevy Silverado 3500 crew cab, long bed.
So this is just our 3 kids right now, but we have 4. And so our Silverado has the center console, but the center console flips up and it has an over-the-shoulder lap seat belt that clips down. And usually Graceland's right here. So this is our daughter Graceland, and she sits up front because the knee clearance right here was not working for our 12-year-old. Our biggest fear was for him to hit this, and he was turning on the seat warmers and the air conditioning all the time. And
to show that to you guys,
yeah.
If you guys, yeah, we can show you guys that.
We could show that too. But our big fear too is we have the trailer brake here, and so it's just easier for her to be here. And we're not suggesting it for families. If you guys, we're just showing you what works for our family. If he was up, we'll show you guys in a second how it works. This is Carter. He has a seatbelt right here. Obviously, we're not moving. This is Silviano, and he has a Graco Snuggle Grow, I think, and it's just a Graco like car seat. Ruben has the Spider-Man car seat. We purchased it online off of Walmart's website. So they have pretty good clearance. Carter has a lot of room right here. There's room right there. Houston, show him the room that they have over. He has right here. So there's like
a decent amount of room here, and then he's buckled in here. And this is what it would be like if we had Carter in the front.
So he's like,
and he doesn't normally sit like parallel. This. Sometimes he likes to sit like he's too cool for school.
No, push your butt. Yeah. So he sits like this, and when he gets in, he'll bump this, and you can see it's really hard to see the controls. And my biggest fear was like if we were in an accident, this would come forward, and
this is in his head would come forward.
Yeah. And that just, I don't know. As a mom, I don't know. We're not recommending it. We're not car seat experts. We're not vehicle experts, but this is what works for us and our vehicle. Right now, it works really good. And Graceland's only going to get bigger, and I feel like this seat's going to be good for her right now. But this, he's almost 13. This would not work for him for very long.
Yeah.
Do you like it better in the back seat?
Definitely. Someone asked on our YouTube channel how we seat the kids in the truck when we're on the go, and so this is our son Ruben's high chair. We got this high chair at Walmart, and it's just the Spider-Man one. It's like a booster with a back. This is our almost 2-year-old's car seat. He has the Graco snuggle lock, and he sits in this one in the middle because it's safer for babies. Then we go over here, and Carter, our oldest, he's 12 years old, he sits right here. If you see that Carter is not in the video, Graceland will, her booster seat will move here and she'll sit here, but most of the time Carter's sitting here. This is my seat most of the time, and then Houston sits right here, and we have the Chevy Silverado that you can lift the center console up, and our daughter goes right here with her booster. And then this has the over-the-shoulder strap, not the over-the-lap. And there's also no airbag. There's only an airbag right here. So we don't have to turn an airbag off or anything. She's protected right here. And then the Houston sits over here and drives. But this is our 6-seater Chevy Silverado 3500.
2024 Chevy Silverado 3500.
HD.
HD.
It's a long bed.
She sits here, and I'm the captain of this baby. when the kids, they all sit back here. And there's plenty of room for all the kids. Carter, he's pretty tall and he's got plenty of leg room.
So we had our son up here because yes, that is the safer option. I know we're going to hear a whole bunch of people. Yes, our 12-year-old should be sitting here. We agree. But when we have him here, he's taller. I'm 6'3". So my son, he's about 5'2", 5'3" already.
He's growing.
His feet and legs hit right here. So he's uncomfortable. He turns on all of the air, and if we got in an accident, his knees would be at his throat. So I feel like this is the safer option for our family. Is it the safer option for your family? That's for you guys to decide. We're not saying this is safer. We're not approving it. We're just saying this is what we do for our family. That's safe for us. We don't want our son to get in an accident and hit his head or to hit his legs or break anything. It's just safer for us. And when our son is not with us, because he's 12 years old, almost 13, and he can stay home sometimes, we do put our daughter back here.
He really truly doesn't like to stay home too much.
But some of the videos
days,
that you guys see,
there's some days he likes to, and
just get his peace and quiet away from his siblings, which he
we're not
deserves.
going very far or doing something crazy without him.
Yeah.
We always like to
all
bring
our kids with us.
All the kids with us, but there's days that he just wants to stay home, and he's old enough where he can make that decision. Yep. And we want him to have his own space sometimes. And
hey guys, so that's the end of this video. Please like, follow, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate
share with everybody.
We appreciate every single one of you guys that support us. And if you guys have any comments, please drop them in the comment box below and we'll answer them as quickly as we can. We had a subscriber ask us about our truck, so I feel like we answered it pretty quickly. We tried to. We've been on the road a little bit and we wanted to get the truck a little cleaned up. It looks clean right now. We tried it.
We have 4 kids, and
we clean it every time we stop. If we're on a long trip, like a long stop.
Every stop that we get to, we like to longer trip. We like to clean it out and kind of just get it back to
over again,
where we like it. And hey guys, thanks for watching. We truly appreciate it. If you guys would like, subscribe, show all your friends, and just tell everybody about us and what we are doing. We greatly appreciate it.
If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below.
Yeah, if you guys have comments or just want to say hi, and we'll definitely reply to you guys. And thanks for watching us go down the West Coast.